This is the review question for question number 5. Turn to question number 5 in your review packet. As I look at this, I start to notice a couple of things. Which weather condition will most likely occur when the atmospheric pressure begins falling? Now, when it says it begins falling, that means it's going to go lower. I remember I have two pressures. I have low and I have high. Low meant that I have lousy, rainy weather. High meant that I had happy, sunny, and cool weather. If it's falling, it should be looking more at the low pressure. So I want to find lousy and rainy. Will it be dry? No. Will it be cold? Oh, cool is under high, so no. Will it be rainy? Well, there we go. Probably my answer. Sunny is a high pressure. Your best answer is C.